Solflare is an exceptionally secure and user-friendly wallet for storing funds on Solana and offers all the features you need in a crypto wallet. Recently, Solflare has introduced a dedicated single-token interface on the mobile app. Clicking on any token takes you to a single page. Here you will see the token's price along with the chart in multiple time frames. Right under the chart, you can see the market cap of the coin along with 24-hour trading volume and available liquidity. This page offers many options, but one of the most useful features that you can find here is the limit option. The limit order option can be used to place a buy order at a lower price and a sell order at a higher price. When the coin price reaches the limit order price, the limit order automatically gets filled. Let's see how you can use limit order feature. Tap on the coin you want to trade and tap on the limit option. It will automatically select the coin in the sell section. You can also use the drop-down to select another coin if you want. Select the coin you want to receive in the buy section. Now enter the amount you want to sell, and it will automatically fill the other field. Enter the amount you want to sell at. The current price of the Chimes token is around 0.003, but I want to sell it at a higher price, so I entered 0.01 in the price field. You also have the option to choose when your order expires. Suppose you select 7 days. If the coin's price you want isn't met by that time, your order will be canceled on its own. Now tap on the Place Order button. Check all the details and slide to approve the order. You have successfully placed the limit order to sell your coin. If you go back, you will see your order under the Open Order option. You can tap on this cancel button to cancel the order. You can follow the same process to buy any Solana token at a lower price and sell at a higher price. Apart from the limit option, the single token page has 2 more useful features. The first one is the buy option. The buy option allows you to convert fiat to crypto via a trusted aggregator. This process is also known as on-ramp. You can use 200+ payment methods such as credit cards, debit cards, Google Pay, Apple Pay, etc. to buy crypto. Solflare's buy option makes the crypto buying experience smooth, secure, and scam-free. The second feature is swap. Unlike the limit option, the swap option allows you to buy or sell Solana tokens at market price. You will always get the best price because Solflare sources liquidity directly from the Jupiter DEX. Install the Solflare app or update to the most recent version of the app to get access to all the latest features. You should always visit solflare.com to find the official app link because searching directly on the Play Store or App Store is riskier, and you can end up installing fake apps. In case you ever face an issue, Solflare's live chat support team is available 24/7 to solve your problem. You just need to visit Solflare's official website and click on the Start Chat button to connect with the support team. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching.